Do you know how to cook chicken quickly and tastily? Today we are going to see how to do it, and this recipe is mostly used in weddings and other people gatherings to serve them fast and yummy. And before going to the video, if you're new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Take half kg chicken, wash it properly, add half cup of curd and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well and marinate it for half an hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare the paste. Take 1 big onion, 10 pieces of garlic, a small piece of ginger and 3 green chilies. In a mixer jar, add 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. Add all other ingredients. Along with this, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Now let's grind it to a coarse paste. To this we are going to add required amount of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Let's squeeze the juice from half lemon. Along with this, let's add a string of curry leaves and 1 teaspoon chicken masala. Mix all the ingredients together. For binding, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Check whether the spice level and salt level is correct. And now we are going to add the marinated chicken. Mix the chicken and masala together. Add coriander leaves and mix the coriander leaves well with the chicken and marinate for another 2 hours. After 2 hours, I had kept the pan with little oil. Let's put the marinated chicken and fry it in a medium flame. After 10 minutes of frying, let's flip it to the other side. You can also add 1 raw egg to this marination so that you will have more crispy and tasty chicken. Now our Malabar style Kalyana VEETU chicken is ready. Please do like, share and subscribe.